What's up, you guys? It's your boy K back with another video, man. And you already know y'all asking for more repair videos, so I'm giving it to you. I'm here, and then today I'm going to show you how to replace your brake pads. So let's go ahead and get into it. Going to need new brake pads, some brake grease. Going to need a jack stands, and of course you're going to need. I'm using power tools, but you can use a wrench or a ratchet. And what the tools today, this is for a 2010 Ford Fusion. What you're going to need is a 13 millimeter, a 10 millimeter, and a 12 millimeter. And if you're using a power tool to get the lug nuts off, you're going to need a 19. That being said, let's go ahead and get into it. Now, here's your new brake pads, right? First thing first, make sure you get new brake pads. Right here is your new hardware. This hardware is what you're going to use. These are your new brake pads. I always recommend getting ceramic brake pads. The other ones are pretty cheap, but they wear out pretty fast. As you can see, this is like the little kind of darker spots or the shinier parts on the camera is the ceramic and just a little extra grit. So it's a mixture of stuff pretty much, right? So ceramic is what they use on the faster cars and NAS cars and all that stuff like that. So it's pretty good. It's built to last pretty much. So what you want to do is take your new brake pads here like this, right? I always take the extra paper that it comes wrapped in, and I use it because I like to set the brake pads out like that because I want to grease them up. Now what I do, I take my brake grease, see that? And I go ahead and grease up the back of the brake pad. Little dab here on the corner because that's what's going to sit on your new hardware. Here's what it's going to look like. All right, grease here and grease here. So go ahead and set it down, and you do that for all 4 of your brake pads, 2 on one side and 2 on the other side. So what you want to do is take your new hardware and just sit it in. So this little piece here goes against the fat piece up there. So you take it, put it in like that. And then for the top part, it's, you know what I'm saying, backwards a little bit. It's upside down actually. So you take it, put it in like that. Then you got this piece here, which literally just slides in like so. Just like so. Once you go ahead, put your hardware on, just like I showed you, next thing you want to do is go ahead and get your brake pads that you already got lubed up, and just go ahead and set them in position, right? We just clamp into place. So, boom, just like that. The bottom part, it go right into place as well. Then you're good to go. That's how you do that one, and you just repeat the same process for the back. So go ahead and take the back one, slide it right in the grooves. Once you get your brake pads on, just like that, you take your caliper, you just go ahead, slide it over just like that. Take your screws and you go ahead, line them up just like so. Top one, do the same thing for the bottom. Down below. Go ahead, tighten them down. You could do it with a ratchet. Just like that. And of course this is brand new, so it's gonna move back and forth. Don't worry about it. The piston is gonna move in and out and collapse on it. So that's that.